This is a guy, no matter what time of day or what day of the week, he'll be there to help you if you need it. We're going to talk about what are your rights when it comes to health insurance, right? So Marco Bocciarelli is with us. He's from Friedman, Domiano, and Smith. I've seen you driving around town on the side of a bus for a long time. You still look good.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for having me. What a wonderful show to be part of.
Yeah, well, we're having a good time today. I'm glad you're here because we're talking about something that has to do with health insurance.
What I wanted to talk to you about a little bit today is called subrogation, and when you're dealing with health insurance. So the best way to do this, I think, is by way of an example. If you walk outside and you have health insurance and you fall down and hurt yourself, and I don't want anything bad to happen to
Thank you.
But if that were to happen, health insurance pays parts of your bills and you don't owe anything. But if someone else were to hurt you, and again, I don't want anything bad to happen to you, but if someone else hurts you and you're able to make a recovery, health insurance has a right of what's called subrogation, and they will come after you for that money.
What is subrogation?
So subrogation is when they pay your bills, they create a lien, right? A lien is just the amount of money that they claim that they owe, and then the process by which they go through to try to collect that money from you is called subrogation.
So what happens if you owe more money than what they've allotted for, or maybe you deserve more than they've allotted for you? What's that?
Unfortunately, sometimes that happens, but that's one of the things that we take care of at Friedman, Domiano, and Smith. We want to make sure that all of our clients are well taken care of. So not only are we trying to make sure that you get the best recovery at the beginning of the case, but afterwards we're going to take that money and we're going to negotiate on your behalf, because at the end of the day, the injured person owes the insurance company that money, not the person that hurt you, which I think a lot of people get surprised by. But we try to negotiate with the insurance company so that you get the best possible recovery.
Okay, let's set up a little scenario.
Sure.
Like something happens to me. What is it? What happens to me, and where do I fall in this game?
Sure. So something happens to you. It's somebody else's fault, right? Here is the issue. The person that hurts you has no relationship with your insurance
It could
company.
be an automobile.
It could be an automobile. It could just be a
dog bite?
baseball, a dog bite, a dog. It doesn't matter what the injury is. If your health insurance is paying bills because of an injury caused by a third party, you owe your health insurance back if you make a recovery. Is that fair? I don't think it is.
No.
But that's the state of the law, and so all we can do is make sure that you get the best possible recovery, and that we go back to the insurance and say, this isn't right, this isn't fair. You need to accept less because my client isn't getting what they're entitled to for whatever reason. And that's how we try to maximize recoveries. In the unfortunate event, which doesn't happen that often, but it does happen sometimes, that we're unable to collect a sufficient recovery on your behalf.
Okay, in the sequence of events as they occur, when is it too late to get help?
Well, I would like to say it's never too late.
Yeah,
if you're ever in a situation where you need help, call us, and we will always try to see if we can assist you. I'd say a lot of the time, if you put your name on a dotted line somewhere, that's when I start to get a little nervous. I don't think there's ever a time that it's too early to contact an attorney and ask for help. And that's why we always tell everyone, we give a free consultation. It's Friedman, Domiano, and Smith. Call us, and I'd be happy to at least have a conversation with you. See if I can assist you.
So let's start that sequence story again in the beginning. How soon should I, if something happens to me, I get bit by a dog, I get in a car accident, how soon should I call somebody? I mean, I know a lot of people just wait and go like, well, my insurance company will take care of it. Is it my responsibility to get in touch with you? How soon?
Dave, I would say as soon as you can.
As soon as it happens?
If you can do it as soon as it happens, as soon as it's never too early to have someone representing your interest, whether it's involving the health insurance or the automobile insurance or the homeowner's policy, whatever it is. You don't want to be the person who's handling that. Take that load off your shoulders and let someone who knows how to navigate those waters handle it.
We only have a couple seconds left,
Sure.
but I just want to, I know somebody who got talked into signing on the dotted line with an insurance company, and he ended up owing another $15,000 for medical bills when it was all said and done. You could have helped him.
100%. I mean, that's a big part of what we do.
Yeah.
And we want to protect our clients from problems just like that.
Yeah, so don't think if you get in a situation like that you got to go like, I'm not going to call a lawyer yet. Yet may be too late.
The sooner the better, always.
Well, there you have it. Hey, thank you very much. Great to see you.
Thank you, sir.